Welcome to the Active System Manager video series, Getting Started with ASM. You are watching Chapter 7, where we'll cover Step 5 on the Getting Started page and configure and publish our first template. Now that we've installed and configured ASM and discovered some resources, it's time to publish a template. After clicking the Publish Template link, it takes you to the page with all of the pre-configured templates that ship with ASM. I'm going to select the VMware template that deploys to iSCSI storage, click Clone to make a new copy of the template, enter the name that I wish the template to have. I'm going to create a new category to locate it in a different place inside of ASM from our default templates that are included with the product. I'm going to check Manage Server Firmware. This is an optional setting to allow us to configure firmware versions on the servers that the template deploys to. After filling out that form, it takes me to the template builder. You see that we already have an architecture that's included with the template, and all that's left is to configure it for my environment. Starting at the bottom, I'm going to select the storage, click Edit, and all I really have to do is change which equalogic array, in this case, I want to target for this configuration. All of the other values are pre-populated. They are editable if you desire, but they're configured to be ready to go. I continue the process with the server swim lane by selecting a server and clicking Edit. Again, the information is largely filled out, but in this case I'm going to change to ESX version 5.5. I'm going to fill out the administrator password I wish ASM to set in the environment. And then all that's really left is to configure the networking. In this chart, you see the different network partitions that exist on the CNA and the list of the networks we created in an earlier video. I'm going to select the network that I wish to associate with the individual partitions using a standard architecture of breaking up my management traffic, my vMotion traffic, the virtual machine traffic itself, and my storage traffic on different networks. I repeat this for any servers in my template. In this case, since we're doing an ESX cluster, I want all the servers to be configured the same. But if this was a template with different types of servers, I could configure them individually. Then finally, I select Cluster, click Edit, and I'm prompted to enter which vCenter instance I wish to deploy to, and I'm able to change the information here if I want. The default is that we're going to create a new data center and a new cluster. All that's left is clicking Publish, and then the template's ready to go. Once a template is published, it's available to be deployed. That's it for the Getting Started with ASM video series. You now have a functional ASM appliance as well as a working template that you can go and deploy. Thank you for watching the ASM video series. For more videos in the series, visit dell.com/ASM Tech Center.